I don't know if everybody is witness to this destruction, but I'm sure everybody in certain videos has noticed my cat or dog using this particular scratching post, little cat house. Especially my dog really likes this cat house. Like, he sleeps inside it and stuff. Within the last couple of hours, I went downstairs to my neighbor's house and brought my dog. And during the time I was gone, you see that guy right there? That guy. Yeah, him. Him. Yeah, you. You, Tucker. You. He did that damage to that cat house. The one that the dog likes to sleep in. I did not. You did too. I plead the fifth. I don't care what you plead. Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm not even gonna look at you. Look at the damage. Do you know that he stuck his paw right in that hole and I could see his paw through it? Right as my downstairs neighbor was saying, oh my god, it's so weird that your dog loves the cat house so much. Like as if this little fucker, Tucker, yeah, you. I don't know who you're talking about. You had his ear to the door and literally was listening about hearing how much Roscoe loves this little cat house. This destruction. That destruction. Tucker. Yo, Tucker. What? You. Why would you do that destruction to that? I don't know what you're talking about. I see no destruction. You're looking the wrong way. I don't even see it. Down there, there's no destruction. Tucker, you know it's the other way. I don't see any destruction. I've got to get these shreds of carpet off my clothes. I don't see it. I still don't see it. I don't know what destruction you speak of. Tucker. I don't know. What's right next to you? Is there a hole in that? Is there a hole in the cat house? I see that dog moving under that blanket. How's he like his cat house now? See? I don't see. I don't see. Tucker, really? Lulu. Yeah. Lulu. Wow, see how Tucker is? See how Roscoe is? The way he just goes over Lulu like that? I see how that dog is. Yeah, but Tucker, what did you do to the cat house? I don't know what you mean. Tucker, you know. I don't know. Are you seeing what that dog is doing? He's not doing anything. Look it. I don't even know if he realizes that his cat house is all messed up right now. I don't know why you would think this is a cat house. It's nothing to do with him. I don't even know why you destroyed it. Why would you do that? You can sit on it all day and pretend you don't hear what I'm saying. Hey, Tucker. Tucker. I don't hear you. Goodbye. You're a jerk.